Oh. I've been working a lot this week. I've been just trying to get some baits out and stuff. Don't look too hard. But I think it's time for a little mental reset, get away from all of this, and just escape the reality for the night. And it's supposed to have a pretty heavy snowstorm, so we're gonna be having a fun time in the back of the truck in a winter snowstorm. Before I show you the setup, if you're new here, I want to make a big announcement, and this announcement is pretty scary for me and a new chapter in the business. So if you are new here, my name is Byron. I make some fishing lures and sell some fishing lures, and this is the first time I'm ever going to be releasing a bait like this. So what you have here is a hard bait completely made out of wood. Before this took shape, this was straight a wood block just like that, and I sanded it, put it into shape, painted it, and all these little details you see were done by yours truly. The bill was made by me. Even the screw eyes were put in by me. I've made this bait completely by hand, completely out of scratch, and it is for sale on my website right now. This is straight a one-of-one bait. Never going to be another one like it, ever, on this channel. And we also have a few more that are coming out in the oncoming uploads, but that's for those next uploads. But let's close down shop for the day and go take a look at the camping rig. See you tomorrow. Here she is. Oh yeah. It's seen better days, but only got a few more months with her. Then she's getting redone. But this is my 2018 Toyota Tundra, fully built out. I made this setup back in the springtime. Very simple. Holy crap, this thing's hard. It's so cold. Yeah, but we're getting snowed into that thing tonight and having a nice cozy time. I might bring out like some electronics and stuff to watch some TV shows and yeah, escape the reality of like working and stuff like that. Not completely like, you know what I mean. Don't really know what else I have planned, so I'll see you in a little bit. It's quite some time later now, and I don't feel like cooking in the freezing cold, so I'm gonna cook in my house before we go out. Do a little meal prepping. It's a nice dish. I'm feeling some Chinese food, so we're gonna be doing some Mandarin orange chicken, some stir-fried rice, so let's get cooking. Also have a little new thing I've gotten, the 5-string bander. I'm going to be learning this over the next few months and hopefully getting good enough to play the good old Boggy Mountain Breakdown. So, learning a few rolls today. Honestly, banjo's pretty simple. And I've kind of needed something to be able to do and get my mind off things when I'm not working or filming videos. And never really seen myself learning an instrument until now, so my music career starts today. Alright, I'm going to put on some warmer clothes, get the truck warmed up, then we got to get some gas and head out to the camp spot. So, let's go on the road. All right. I have my little tool thing just in case we need to bust out the traction pads tomorrow. Midwest is getting a big snowstorm tonight, so we're gonna be escaping reality, covered in by snow and whatnot. It's gonna be pretty outrageous, so I'm not going too far out of town tonight, just for safety reasons. We're still gonna have a good time, so I'm gonna go get some fuel. Oh, I'm so tired. Don't know how much I'm gonna eat tonight. I just kind of want to hit the hay, man. Gosh. Starting to come down quite a bit more. It's gonna be an interesting night. This is the first time I've ever camped in heavy snowfall. Part of the reason is we haven't really had any heavy snowfall this winter, so we'll see how she goes. Oh, so cold. Good old reliable boat ramp. What would I do without you? Ugh. Still warm. Oh yeah. It's a cold and nippy one in central Iowa tonight. Let's get this thing rolling. Good old propane heater. With propane heaters, make sure you have a carbon monoxide detector, so you do not kill yourself. I also have a window crack too, because you need ventilation with a heater like this. Smells delicious. Not gonna lie, I might have had a few bites of this ones that were on the kitchen counter, but first review on camera with sweet and sour sauce. Rice is pretty good too, but it's a little hard still. Probably should have cooked it a little longer. Chicken's delicious though. And also thank you Grandma to these nice pillowcases that you can get at byronsbeats.com. And also the shirt I've been wearing. Check them out. Link in description. Oh, it's so nice being out here just not caring about anything other than the video, which I guess is still like kind of my job, but let me tell you a little secret, it's like the best part of my job. I like filming the videos. But the editing kind of sucks, but I'll do it for you guys. I think I'm going to kind of sit around and watch some television shows on my phone. Sleeping bag's so cold, man. Oh my gosh. Alright, cue a time lapse of me sitting on my phone. Well, we got done watching some front porch picking videos on some social medias. Just trying to learn more about the banjo. I just want to be able to play like 3 songs. That's the song I want to play. Oh. Chinese food was good. It's warm back here. It's still snowing out. So we'll see what it looks like in the morning. But right now I'm gonna hit the sack because I am tired and it is late. So I'll see you tomorrow when we have to snap back to reality and get some work done. So, hope you guys have a good night. I will see you in the morning. Oh. We're snowed in. Well, let's get out and see how bad the snow is. She's coming down hard. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There's something so peaceful about hearing the snow hit the ground. Just quiet. Would have been nice if this could have came about 2 months ago, but hey, sometimes Mother Nature does what she wants. Well, kind of like all the time, but we had a great time out here, and yeah, it was really nice getting away from everything, escaping the reality of stuff, and spending the night in the truck camper. Let's get heading home, and I need to get back to work, so I'll bring you guys along and show you some more about my work. All right, let's get out of here, see if we can not get stuck. It's gonna be doing this all day. We're probably gonna get like 10 inches. Wow, these roads are terrible, man. These are bad. Gladly I didn't sleep more than whatever I did last night, because coming back in this stuff would have been terrible. Home sweet home. Ow. Cannot forget the food. Absolutely love that sound, but I'm gonna go in, shower and stuff, and I'll meet you out in the bait shed. Oh, still snowing pretty heavy out there. If you've never seen this before, this is my bait shed, my shop, where I do all my work in. Here's some of the baits I make, and then some right there. And this is my hard bait station. This is where the hard baits are being made. Like, this is one that's not painted yet. This is one that's gonna be a really, really cool when I'm done with it. And yeah, we have glitters and colors there, actual baits, packaging station, cutting out the baits and stuff, and then yeah, a bunch of tools and storage and stuff. With the spring and summer coming, make sure to go pick some soft plastic baits up and hard baits. And before I sell this one lure here, none of these are going to be 100% perfect. That's why I'm kind of nervous about selling them, is because I don't want them to fail and then, you know, doesn't look good. But just keep in mind that it's a 16-year-old making these. I'm by no means a professional. This is my first ever time doing this. Very nervous about it, but I think it could do some great things, and I'm happy. I like doing them. They look good when I'm done, and I just enjoy it, and I want to share it with the people that watch me and the people that want them. So it's for sale right now. First come, first serve. But without further ado, I need to paint some baits, so that's what we're gonna do. Honestly, I took it pretty light today. I only did a few stuff. Most of it was directly to hard baits, just to get some of these done. I'm very passionate about this right now, and always will be. So I'm gonna let this dry, and I'll give you guys a little scale review, and then I'll close out this video. So I'll see you in a bit. Oh, heck yeah. Dang good looking bait though so far. Don't be looking too close. Alright, I'm closing down shop for the day. I'm so cold in here. Oh. That's a lot of snow. And it's still coming down. Make sure to keep me busy at byronsbaits.com. Go put it in order today. I love being busy. It's awesome. But this is going to be the end of this video. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this adventure. It was a fun one. It was a good time escaping the reality, and then also showing you guys the reality of what my day looks like. It can also consist of some other stuff, but yeah, today kind of took it easy. But other than that, thank you for tuning in, and make sure you go pick yourself up a shirt at byronsbaits.com. Supports these videos and supports my dream of traveling and making content for you. So yeah, but I will see you in about 4 days, and I'm gonna go get some practice on the old banger. So see you in 4 days. Thanks for watching.